Hi everyone, welcome to Karen from tilleycrafts.co.uk. Today I'm bringing you another video in the Tilley's beginner tips videos, and today I thought I'd talk to you about paper. This is what confused me when I first started stamping up. I got confused as to which paper was which and what I should do on it. So first of all, the two main ones are Whisper White. It comes in normal size, normal weight and thickness, and then you've got your thick cardstock. Now, your thick cardstock here is great for card bases because it's really sturdy and it makes great cards and they stand up fabulous. In this pack you get 24 sheets, so depending on whether you cut it tenfold, you would score in half and then cut in half, and that would make you 48 card bases out of a pack of paper, which is really good. You can also do it the other way. You can also score lengthways and then cut that way, and you still get 48, but then it's like a portrait fold card. The other pack comes in 40 sheets, and this is where I get my card bases from. So I'd usually like layer it up with a coloured card and then have my layer there which I stamp on. And again, 40 sheets, you get a lot of card stamping layers out of it because you can get 4 out of 1 sheet. I will be bringing you a video later on about how to cut your sheets out to get the most of them. The Whisper White actually does come in very vanilla as well. That's the very vanilla, and again you get the thick ones to make your card bases and you get the thinner ones to make your stamping layers up. You can see the difference there. It's like a creamy colour, vanilla colour, and that's white, Whisper White, but very good quality. But I'll just pop them out the way. And then we've got our cardstock. This all comes in A4. There's 24 sheets in a pack of this. If you didn't want to buy a whole 24 pack, because it is a lot of one colour to buy unless you're doing something specific, like if you're making invitations or something like that and you want a lot of the same colour. But if you're just starting out, they actually do, if I can turn to the right page, hang on. They actually do packs of A4 20 sheets, and you get 2 of each colour in the colour families. There are 4 colour families. You get the brights and you get 10 in each colour family. So you've got your brights, your neutrals, your regals and your subtles. So if you're just planning to do a little bit, then I would probably advise get the pack of the mix pack, because then at least you've got a little bit of each colour. And then if you decide, oh, this is my colour, like gorgeous grape and Hyman and Heather were my colours, and so I bought single packs of those. Down here at the bottom there is also in colours. Now for this year they've just brought out the 2022 in colours, which are Cinnamon Cider, Just Jade, Bumblebee, Magenta Madness and Misty Moonlight. And the last year's colours that came out, which last until 2021, these come out for 2 years at a time. So every year there's 5 new colours, so one lot will drop off and then the next new lot will come. And the ones that came out last year were Cocoa Rose, Terracotta Tile, Pretty Peacock, Seaside Spray and Purple Posy. And again, hang on, you can get those in packs as well. If you get in the in colours, you will get 4 sheets of each of the 5 colours to make that pack of 20 up. They also do 12 by 12 cardstock. I don't tend to buy a lot of this, but it's good if you're making bigger projects like boxes, bags, stuff like that, because you've got more to work with there. So sometimes I'll get the odd pack, but if you were into stuff like that, then that's probably an ideal pack. And again, you can get it the same, still 20 sheets, and the same, you get 2 of each colour. on that. So that's your cardstock. Really good value. Next we have vellum. And this comes in A4 and you get a pack of 20 sheets in one pack. Vellum is really good. You can stamp on it, you can heat emboss on it, you can colour it in, you can use your blends on it, you can use watercoloured pencils on it. So that's really good, and it gives an added layer to your projects, and it just like a bit of added interest, so that's really good too. The other one they do is the acetate sheets, the window sheets. These come in 12 by 12. You get 2 sheets in a pack, and you can just use your trimmer to cut them down. You can use scissors to cut them down, but these are really good for making window cards, or shaker cards, and you just lay them up. You can stick them down with tearing tape. You can use foam adhesive strips to stick them down, so they're really good too. And next is the designer series paper. The majority of designers, oh no, actually I'll do that last. This is the we get foil sheets as well. I'll just turn to these. This was copper. These come in packs of 2, if I'm not mistaken. I think, yeah, it's packs of 2. I got this one last year when I was doing my Christmas projects. Let's bear with me 1 minute. So this year we've got a new one, brass, which I was lucky enough to get some of that with my World of Good suite that I bought. Oh, I'll just bring a piece out and I can show you. There we go. So that was the copper and the brass. Really nice. So we actually do it in brass is the new one, but we've got champagne, I can't even say it, champagne, copper, gold and silver. And like I said, they come in a pack of 2, 12 by 12, and they're good for any projects. I used a lot, quite more at Christmas, I think, to just add that little bit of shimmery to my paper. We also have, which I haven't got any yet, is the rainbow glimmer paper. You get 2 sheets of that, 12 by 12 again, and it's got like an ombre effect, and it goes through the colour of the rainbow, but that's quite nice to add in to projects as well. Right, now on to the designer series paper. So designer series paper comes in 12 by 12 unless otherwise stated. I'll show you a few in a minute. So you get 12 sheets, and there is, hang on, I got this wrong last time. There's 12 sheets in a pack, and you get 2 of each to 6. I can't speak today. I don't know what's up with me. You get 12 designs, and there's 2 sheets of each, and it's double-sided. That's right. So you get 12 sheets in a pack, 2 of each design, and they're double-sided. So that's 6 on that side, and then if you turn them over, that's your other 6. But like I say, you get 2 sheets of each, so there's 12 in a pack. God, that was hard work. I did do one before, and I did say there was 24 designs. I don't know where I was coming from then, but never mind. And again, that's all in the catalogue. They put all even though you can see them with the suites, they put them all in the back, so they're easy to look at. So this year we have Artsy Brooms, which is 12 by 12 sheets. Forever Greenery, which is 12 sheets. And the Ornate, the one I've just shown you, the Ornate Garden is 12 sheets. The Peony Garden is 12 sheets. And the Playful Pets is 12 sheets. all 12 by 12s, and then you've got your 6 by 6, which are the flowers for every season. So these ones, you actually get 4 of each sheets, 4 of each design, and there's 12 double-sided designs, and they're 6 by 6. You get 48 in a pack. I didn't say that very well, did I? This one down here is called In Good Taste. Now this is really nice textured paper, and you actually get, this is like a special on this one, you actually get 24 sheets, and there are 12 double-sided designs in that one. That's where I've got my 12 from, in that one. And the Playing with Patterns is also a 6 by 6. So again, you get 48 sheets in there. And then the other designer series papers we have are, oh, The Whale of a Time 6 by 6, and this one, The World of Good, which I've got that one. It's beautiful. That is 12 by 12. And the other 6 by 6s are the In Colours and also the Colour Families. So they're all the same design. You get 4 different designs. So it's like a wood effect, a statement at the heart with lots of writing, and it's in different languages. It's only like really tiny. I've got some to hand that I can show you. Let's have a look. This is me with my filing away of stuff. This is the In Colours one. So you get this writing on here, and it, like I say, it's in every language. You get like a denim effect. Well, that's what I keep calling it, because in the blue it looks like denim. Then on the reverse, you've got a wood effect, and you've got dots with lines through, and that's all the same patterns for all of these. So you've got them in the Colour Families, and you get 40 sheets of these. So it's really good value for money, and good to add to a project. If you're not too sure what to add to it, you can coordinate the colours up. Oh, that's been all right for you. It's gone a little over the 10 minutes. I will try and link these videos together, because they're only supposed to be short, just to give you an insight, and I will try and bring you some more with some tips, and hopefully they're useful to you. If you want to see anything in particular, drop me a comment and I'll see if I can do a little video on it for you. Thank you all for joining me. Speak to you soon. Bye.